Good morning, homegirls. I figured I would vlog today because I'm hosting like a little brunch with my cousin and my sister. It's just us three, okay? But you know your girl's extra, okay? I am gonna be extra every time. I wanna make things nice and make it like a little experience for us. It's just us three, but who cares? I'm all about making experiences in my home. I don't have to save like my special dishes for a bunch of people to come over. Like, I'm gonna enjoy it. I bought it, I wanna get my use out of it. I'm gonna enjoy it, okay? So, we're making a little brunch. On the menu, we're gonna do French toast, turkey bacon. We're probably gonna do like regular bacon as well too, sausage. I wanna make my creamy white cheddar grits. Like that is like my thing. I love these grits, okay? Love this recipe. So I'm gonna make grits. Did I say French toast? We're doing French toast. Maybe eggs if people want eggs. I'll probably cook those last. I'm not really like pressed about cooking them, obviously, like way before. So that will definitely be on the menu as an option if my cousin or my sister wants it, or if I decide to cook it, it's there as an option. I wanted to like show you guys a setup that you could do for maybe a bigger brunch, or again, a smaller brunch as well too. You do not have to wait to have a bunch of people in your house to make things look nice. We're gonna pull out the white dishes today. We're gonna make it all pretty and display it and have a good time, and of course we're gonna have mimosas too. Look, it's giving create your experiences at home because y'all, it's expensive to go outside right now. So that's what we're doing. Instead of us going to get brunch, which we could easily go to any restaurant, go get brunch, bottomless mimosas, we're creating this experience at home. It's giving we got brunch at the house. So let's make brunch at the house. All right, we need to get the white dishes out of the cabinet. This should be good for like the grits maybe. We're doing French toast, so I have something at the bottom for bags. Strawberries. I think I have some platters for like the French toast and the meats. Yeah, these are perfect. And honestly, I probably only need one. So, well, we'll do both of them. We'll pull both of them out just in case. Let's set up our little dishes. Of course, we're gonna have a little bottomless mimosas at home. It's giving, like I said, drinks at the house, brunch at the house. So I got some champagne for us. This should be enough. Like, we ain't trying to go cray, but 2 bottles is enough for 3 people, I feel like. And then to make us feel even more special, I have some Kraft. So I'm gonna put some orange juice in here. I'm not gonna like use a whole carton of orange juice. So I'll portion it out like enough for us to pour like a splash in there. And yeah, I feel like this would be cute. Make you feel like, you know, you're at a little restaurant, like you're getting a little experience. So very cute. I don't care, my grits are the best grits ever, okay? I am definitely like a put a little sugar grits type of girl. I'm from the country, so, you know, we can argue in the comments about sliced cheese and grits. Are you just like a salt and pepper type of person? But these grits, like doing the white cheddar cheese, it's kind of like the flying biscuit grits, if you know, you know. Doing the white cheddar cheese and the grits, superior. Like it takes the grits to a whole other level. It's so good. It makes it so creamy, so good. These are the best grits. I stole the recipe, but I honestly think mine is a little bit better. I don't know, that's just my opinion. I am about to plate all the food. I didn't really make that many items. That's like the key, just not doing like too much. Don't like make it too complicated. I just wanted to do a pretty simple menu, and these are things that we all enjoy, so it just worked out. Meanwhile, my sister's here. She spent the night. She's supposed to help me. What you mean you don't remember saying that?
I don't remember saying that. I'm a college student. Of course I have to do work on the weekends.
We're waiting for my cousin to get here, so she'll be here in a second. Funny story is, like, she thought that the brunch was at 1 p.m. So We told her 11. And we texted her. We were like, where are you? Are you okay? She was like, oh my God, I thought it was at 1. So anyway, she got a lot going on, okay? She's a grad student, so her mind is probably like information overload. But anyway, we are about to put all the food out because she's gonna be here in a second.
Information, troubleshoot, test. I'm one more. I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete with me. I'm twisted.
Oh.
I'm contradicted.
Oh.
Keep him eyes on his lips. I lick it.
Unique. Yay. That's what you are.
Surrender reflecting off the mirror on the bar.
Hey. Category.
Bad. I'm the bar. Alien superstar. Whip, whip.